mondo dei Papa
Beans! Yes, oggi, today we have a special guest. His name is Federico Aloisi. Tell me, Federico, where are you from?
I'm from Rome, from Italy.
Wow! Woohoo! He's a Roman.
Yeah, and I'm here in Alabama for visiting friends, and we're gonna try, you know, this delicious pasta from Papa Beans from Italy with the olive oil. We're gonna make some pasta today, so I'm gonna show, you know, a little quick cooking about this, you know, this pasta and
I'm excited.
Products.
That's right. I'm excited because look, it's so simple. It's just eggplants, zucchini, fresh tomatoes, fresh basil, garlic, and then don't forget the Papa Beans, the best extra olive oil, Papa Beans, and then Papa Beans, sea salt, and pasta. And how long does it take to make this?
Take when the prepare cutting all the vegetable and like in 15-20 minutes everything is ready. So
wow.
It's very quick to prepare this. Yeah, fresh, healthy,
fresh
vegetable. Just wait for the pasta.
We have the water boiling.
The water is boiling, and when the water is ready, we cook everything in 10-15 minutes. We'll be done.
Woo! Let's go. Okay, Federico, tell me.
Okay, what we're gonna do now, we're just gonna get ready everything. We're gonna cut the eggplant and zucchini and chop the tomatoes. So we can saute everything with a little bit of olive oil, Papa Beans olive oil, the best from Italy. And as soon the vegetable gonna be ready, gonna put the pasta, because it's boiling, almost as boiling here. So like in 10 minutes, everything will be ready. Here, and we're gonna peel the eggplant. This peel is from Germany, 2 different blades. Look how easy it is to peel an eggplant. You can peel one way or the other way, both ways. So first, just take out the skin of eggplant. I prefer to do this because the skin give a little bitter flavor. So that's why for me it's better take it out. But some people like with the skin, so if you like the skin you can leave it, or if not you can do like I do, take it out the skin, and the flavor will be less bitter. Okay, so just cut first the eggplant. You can slice like this, do the other way as well. And then we can just chop. We'll do another one here. And then we make little cubes with the eggplant. And you do the same with the zucchini, okay? First, okay, let's turn this on. Olive oil. The best from Italy, from Sicily. Okay, so let's make the olive oil a little hot, and then I'm gonna put the zucchini and the eggplant. So you do the same with the zucchini. Zucchini, you leave the skin, okay? What you can do, you just can cut the zucchini first enough, so it's easier for you if you wanna, you know, cut it, chop. And what I recommended, first let's do the zucchini first. So I just saute a little bit, like maybe a few more minutes, you know, before the zucchini, and then I put the eggplant inside. Okay? If you like a little garlic, you can also put some garlic. It's good for a little flavor. Okay? Salt, just a little bit, the beginning, then you know, like always, you need to taste first, and then if you need to put more salt, you can just add at the end, you know. So let's wait now for the zucchini, and then as soon as the zucchini start getting like a little color, like a little brown, I put the eggplant inside for like 10 minutes. Okay. Okay, so after like 3-4 minutes, you know, you just wait 3-4 minutes for the zucchini. Then you take the eggplant, you put the eggplant inside. Okay. Then you wait again like 10-15 minutes. Let's saute everything together. If you need to put some salt, you can just add a little bit of salt, okay? So let's wait now for 5 minutes, okay? Okay. Now, tomato, you do the same like I did with zucchini or, you know, eggplant. You need to cut, slice first like this, and you can chop. So, and then you have this in the eggplant and the zucchini, okay? It's better because they give a little bit more, you know, color as well, you know, it will be really nice and taste much better as well, of course. Okay? So chop the tomato as well, and you can put this all together.
Okay.
You're hungry?
I am very hungry.
It's almost ready. So let's do like this, okay, all together. It will be good because they give a little bit more flavor, colorful, okay? So fresh, look at this.
I'm starving already. So how long do you have to wait? I mean, how do you know when it's ready?
Well, you can see the eggplant get melted, okay? The zucchini that were ready before, you know, like before I put the eggplant, was already like, so total, let's say like 10-15 minutes, but you can see the eggplant, when they get melted, they're ready.
Okay.
So just mix a little bit, you know, so they don't get burned. When the water starts boiling, like now, you see that? We put some salt, a little bit of salt.
Sea salt.
Yes, sea salt, of course, yeah. And then pasta. Then the pasta inside, okay?
Beautiful.
So, then I would like to add some basil, okay? So, the basil, take out just the leaves like that, and just cut by hand, like this, just chop like this. 2-3 pieces like this, okay? Not with a knife, just with the hand, okay? And, very fresh, the smell is very good. Put inside like this, and that's it. Like you can see now, remember before was all full this pan, look at now, it's getting smaller and smaller, you see? Because the eggplant are melting, okay? So what you have to do, wait, put in a low, okay? Here the water is boiling, so we just put a little bit of salt and the pasta, okay? Salt, we use this one, of course. Now, just a little bit, you can always taste, it's better don't put too much, okay? A little bit first. And then you can taste, and if you need to add more salt, you can put more salt. And the pasta, okay? Pasta inside. And just stir like that, mix everything so the pasta doesn't get stick inside the pan. The pasta too, like you know, you taste like 4 or 5 minutes, taste a little bit if you see it's al dente. They have to be al dente, okay? Not too cooked because it's not good. Okay, so what you have to do with the water from the pasta, you can see here, look, just a little spoons like that, okay? You can just put like that. You see how, look, it's boiling. See this? Make all this is like a, doesn't get too dry, you know, so that when you put the pasta inside here at the end, it's gonna be very good. It's Italian secret. Okay?
It's an Italian secret.
Yeah.
Oh boy.
Okay, alright, so the pasta is ready. So after 10 minutes, taste first, okay? Just like I said before, al dente. They have to be al dente. So what you have to do, strain the pasta, okay? Like that. Just put this back here so you can keep some water if you need a little bit more water like I did before, okay? So the water now goes inside the pan so you can keep it. Alright, so this is ready. You still leave the stove on, a little bit lower, okay? And then the pasta, what you have to do, just put the pasta inside, Okay, like this. You see? Mix together, leave another, that's why you have to be al dente. So you need to leave the pasta for another like few minutes with all the ingredients inside. Okay? Mix together. You can add a little bit of olive oil again, because olive oil will give a flavor. Okay, so again, a little bit, this one, papa beans, okay? What you have to do, just a little bit. Like this, refresh, and that's it.
Woo!
2 minutes, okay? 2 more minutes and all ready. Thank you. Pasta is ready.
Oh, that looks so
A little bit fresh. That's it, like that. Ready. Okay, thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed the cooking, and I hope to see you soon. Okay, for the next recipe. Okay.
great.
Thank you.
You're
Okay.
welcome.
Bye.
Hey, isn't this delicious? I'm gonna try it. Oh boy, let me see. Wow, this is really good, Federico. Wow, this is excellent. This is what happens when you have Italian friends. They come and cook for you. Goodbye.